This is the story of a silent war. A war not fought with guns, but with silicon, science, and strategy. Intel and TSMC are locked in a trillion-dollar battle, and the winner might control the future of technology. For decades, Intel ruled the chip world. From Pentium to Core i7, they powered almost every PC on Earth. Their secret weapon? They designed the chips and manufactured them in-house. No middleman, no outsourcing, total control. But across the Pacific, something was quietly brewing. In Taiwan, the Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, was perfecting a different model. Make chips for everyone. Apple, AMD, Nvidia, Qualcomm, they all started lining up. And when Intel stumbled, TSMC surged ahead. Intel's nightmare began with number 10. Their 10-nanometer process was delayed, again and again. Meanwhile, TSMC rolled out 7 nanometers, then 5 nanometers, and suddenly, the unthinkable happened. Intel, the giant, was no longer the most advanced chipmaker in the world. Apple dropped Intel. AMD used TSMC to build faster chips, and gamers, creators, and coders started switching sides. But Intel isn't going down quietly. Their new plan, IDM 2.0, invest over $100 billion into new fabs in Arizona, Ohio, and Europe. They want to fight TSMC, not just in performance, but in manufacturing dominance. Meanwhile, TSMC is building fabs on US soil for the first time ever. Why? Because this isn't just business anymore, it's geopolitics. Chips run everything, from smartphones to AI to missiles, and both America and China know, whoever controls the chips controls the future. The next 3 years will decide everything. Intel is betting big on its new 18A node and external customers. TSMC is preparing for 2-nanometer domination. AI, data centers, autonomous cars, they all need more power, faster chips, and smaller transistors. This war won't be won in headlines, it'll be won in atoms, circuits, and code. So, who do you think wins? Intel, TSMC, or someone we haven't even seen yet? Hit that subscribe button because this story is just getting started.